Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I believe I'm about to give y'all one of the fastest videos I have ever made. But if you guys are interested how I got these beautiful looking crimps just using 5 braids, then stick around for more. Okay y'all, let's jump right off into this video. We're gonna first be starting off with freshly washed, moisturized, and blown out hair. I do not have no product in my head outside of heat protected. That's the only product that I have in my head. I did all my moisturizing when I conditioned my hair as I was cleaning it for this hairstyle. You do not want to start off with heavily product hair when doing this method. You want the hair to be as naked as possible. What do I mean when I say that? With the least product as possible. But today we're gonna be using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey, y'all. I love this stuff. We need some rods, we need some clips, we need a wide tooth comb, and we also need a big old rat tail comb to be doing our partings. Y'all know I always tell y'all the parts don't have to be straight, but they have to be clean. So we're gonna section the hair off in the way that we want it styled. I will be doing a bust down. A bust down just pretty much means a middle part. That's it. Okay, I got it sectioned off in 5 big chunky areas. We're gonna go in with our Cream of Nature using a generous amount, but we're not gonna overdo it. Even though this product will not convert your hair back to the natural, but it still can weigh it down because it's a thick, creamy based product and it's full of moisture, honey, and all type of oils. Yes, I always tell you guys, make sure that you take care of the ends of your hair. They are more important than our roots because they are the oldest part of the hair and they are the most vulnerable. Also, take the product, go around your hairline, making sure that it's rubbed in good because this is going to secure that your roots stay as flat as possible and does not puff so fast over time. Take your big wide tooth comb, make sure that you're combing your product in from root to the ends, you guys. Now, let me just say this. I'm not no braider, okay? I do not braid hair for a living, but I do know how to do a simple cornrow, if that's what y'all want to call this, the under braiding method. All I do is I take my time. Yes, I do a lot of sew-ins and weaves where I use this braid method, but at the same time, this is tedious, and especially when you're trying to do it on yourself. It could become very complicated if you have lengthy hair. So I just say take your time, drag one finger at a time underneath each other, making sure that the hair is smooth by you pulling it down as you go under. Go under, pull the hair down. Go under, pull the hair down. This is the tricky part for me because every time I come to the front with it, looking in the mirror, trying to do this, look, good luck. All I'm saying is I'm not no braider. But this area of the hair, I need for you to make sure that you have enough product because this is where your detail is going to be held at, okay? So as you are braiding your hair in a downward position, making sure that you are rubbing that product through your hair. If you come to a dry spot, just add a little bit more product. That's all. Just add just a little bit more, nothing much. And you just need to add it on one strand because the strand that you added on is going to ensure that the other strands get it. After you finish braiding it all the way to the end, then you're going to take your rod and you're going to twist it up. It's just that simple. And we're going to be doing this 5 times, you guys, only. We're only doing 5 braids. This is what I love about it. You guys do not have to put 5,000 million braids in your hair to achieve this look. If anything, I like this look better. When it's blown out, it give it a more elongated look. You know, sometimes when you do your twist out and your braid out, when your hair is super wet, it give it that drawed up effect, that short look. If you like elongated curls or elongated look, like if you had a relaxer or some type of perm in your hair, I suggest that you do a blowout method. First of all, it dries very fast and you don't have to be sitting under the dryer 15 hours for this style. Once it's blown out and all the water is out of it, you find you a good product that does not convert your hair back to the natural state, and we're good to go. And I mostly like to use cream-based styling products to do methods like this on blown out hair. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna take our time and we're gonna go around the entire head and make sure that all 5 of these braids are secure and smooth. Another thing, make sure that your rods are even. Don't have one long rod, one short rod, one long rod, one short rod, because that's gonna show up. It's going to show up in the hairstyle when you take it down and try to style it. You're gonna have a shorter side, you're gonna have a longer side. So let's go ahead and let's get these braids taken care of, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now let's go ahead on and base our scalp. This is some concoction that I have hooked up. You can also find this recipe on my TikTok. This is like 3 to 4 different hair growth oils and greases that I have combined together that have made me a stimulating hair growth product. Yes, like I said, you want to see what this recipe is? Head over there to my TikTok. But as of right now, I'm about to get ready for bed tonight. I will be putting on my Royal Goddess multi-logo satin bonnet. This is a double layer bonnet, you guys. It is made for braids and long weaves. It also have a clamp, so if you do not want it so long on your back, you can clamp it up to get it out of the way. So now that we have everything already prepped and set, I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Okay, you guys, let's start the procedure of taking these braids down. But before we get into that, I also want to let you guys know a little something about these bonnets. They are streetwear as well. I designed these bonnets so that you will be able to wear them out in the street if you were going do a little quick errand running, grocery store shopping. They are designed for that. But enough of that. Look at the detail in these crimps, you guys. Oh my God, they came out so nice, and my hair is not wet. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is 2 days later. This is not even the next day. This is 2 days later. I have been to the gym and everything with these braids, and they held up very well. They would have been even better if I wouldn't have went to the gym, but it just goes to show you how durable they are. They are still very detailed, but you guys know, I tell y'all all the time, I have medium fine hair to where I have to give my hair the illusion of looking full. So what I'm doing right here right now is just taking the rat tail comb and just going in it lightly, puffing the insides of it while leaving the top of it very detailed, because this is also gonna swell over time. So you don't want to do too much picking. You want to leave it just as is so that you don't get rid of a lot of details. Nighttime routine, throw your long bonnet on, your long satin bonnet on, or what have you, and go. You do not have to retwist. You do not have to rebraid. You do not have to revamp none of this. Because like I said, with me loving big hair, this will swell over time and become even more fabulous, people. So I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. I am always here to save you guys time and money. We do not have to spend hours and hours in our hair no more, you guys. Learn to embrace your natural beauty. If there's any type of videos you want Royal Goddess to make, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.